Next, we will see, we will try to balance some equations. Okay. So here we see that they have just given you name of the compounds. Okay. Name of the reactants and the products. You have to first of all write them, and then you have to balance them. Okay. Yeah. So one important thing is that in a chemical reaction, none of the elements or compounds should be written in their ionic form. It should be always written in a stable form. Like, hydrogen, they have one atom each, right? So what do? They share one atom of theirs to form H2. So two hydrogen atoms are sharing bond to make themselves stable. That's why we write H2 but not H, right? Similar for chlorine, they also share their like two of the chlorine atoms, they share bond between each other to become Cl2. So that's why Cl2 or H2, they are the stable forms of hydrogen or stable form of chlorine. So we, in a chemical reaction, we write the stable form of the element or the compound and not their ionic form. Never. So first is hydrogen, next is chloride. What does it give? It gives hydrogen chloride. So we write hydrogen plus chlorine, it gives 2HCl. So hydrogen chloride, this is basically an acid. So we write hydrogen chloride. Now we can see, so first of all, it was written HCl. First of all, you don't write 2 over here, right? So first of all, basically, you write H2 plus Cl2, and that gives you HCl, right? So left hand side should be the same, right hand side is HCl. Now you see left hand side is H2, right hand side is only single H. Similarly for chlorine, it's left hand side Cl2, like 2 atoms of Cl, and on the right hand side it's only 1. So what to do? Just you put a 2 in front of it. Then the chemical equation becomes balanced, right? So now we get 2 hydrogen and 2 of chlorine. Next, we have our barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate gives barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. So first of all, you should know how to write them, right? But this part has been covered in the previous classes. So this is not in your syllabus in this year, since you have already covered, since you know how to form a bond between them, how to write them, like barium. So barium is Ba2 plus. The ionic form of barium is Ba2 plus valency, okay? And chloride, it's Cl minus, right? In the valency, it's -1. So you exchange the valency, like there is a cross multiplication. I'm just doing this as a reminder so that maybe if you have forgotten it by chance, you just recollect it, okay? So it's barium and it's chlorine. So it's chloride and barium, and then these valencies, they get exchanged, right? So there is a crisscross of their valencies. So since this is 1 minus, so barium gets Ba, and chloride, when you write, so Cl, and then 2 comes to Cl because there is a crisscross of valencies. So Cl gets Cl2. So Cl you write as, so this is barium chloride. So this is how BaCl2 is formed.